star, I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay. Hey friend, so today's video we about to see how much it costs to start your own makeup kit as a beginner makeup artist and everything you need to buy. So we going to Ulta. I'm about to show y'all what to buy and I'm about to show y'all how much everything costs. So hey, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, period. We outside of Ulta. Okay, first things first, you need a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this setting mist. It's so good. It's affordable and I love it. So next we're going to go over to e.l.f. and they have really good products. I love this brow cream that they have for the brows. Yes. And then I had to try this e.l.f. setting mist for myself. And they have really good primers. This Power Grip Primer, top tier. And these $4 lip glosses, they smell so good. The grape one, and then they have other flavors like banana. Girl, go get it right now. You can get a liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. for only like $3. And then they have some really pigmented liquid blushes. They're so pretty. I want to try this orange one. And then I also want to try this color too. So cute. The e.l.f. concealers is very affordable. They're only $7. So these are a must for your beginner makeup artist kit. Next, let's move over to the NYX products. If you know, you know, NYX Butter Gloss is that girl. It's so pretty. I use them in literally all my videos. So get your hands on a good amount of those. These jumbo eye pencils from NYX is my favorite. I like the black one for under eye, and you can use the white one as well. Maybelline Fit Me foundation is the best foundation for a beginner makeup artist kits. It's very affordable and easy to work with. You want to make sure you get multiple shades for different skin tones for your clients. And then if you don't have the exact shade, you could just mix. And don't forget the pressed powders to go with the foundations. Juvia's Place has really pretty eyeshadow palettes. You can go with them or you can go with Morphe for your eyeshadow palette. I think I got this eyeshadow palette right here. For blush, you can go with Juvia's Place. I have this one here. It's super pigmented and super cute. And then you want to go with one of these mascaras. When picking out lashes, this green duo is the best lash glue. So I suggest you get this one. And if you wanted to get any lashes from Ulta, you can pick any of these options. Makeup Revolution is literally that girl when it comes to highlights. Like, look at these. These are so cute. I really like this one. It's really cute. And I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in my cart. Revolution also has a blush. This is very affordable. I like this one too. And Morphe, they got these bake and setting powders. They got a pink one, a banana one, or they got like a little trio packet one. Either way, you can go with these for the setting powder, or you can get Laura Mercier. When I'm looking for brushes, I like to go with these brush sets from Real Technique. It comes with a beauty blender, so you don't have to buy the one individually. You can just get this kit and then you're good to go. And then I got these brushes from Eco Tools. These are really good brushes. And then they got this e.l.f. brush set. Cute. Real Technique has the best brushes, so I would suggest that you go with them. These are just some more options of brushes that you can get. I have all of these brushes from Real Technique. For moisturizer, you can get a sunscreen or you can get a regular moisturizer like this one. Okay, I had something.
And it can be used, it just has to be 80% more full.
Okay. Yeah, I had something I did want to return, but I'm like, should I return it?
Yeah, so as long as it's within that 60-day period, you'll get a full refund. But after it reaches that, typically you'll only get like $1 or $2 when it's in that 90-day period.
Okay.
You could open up a store card too. You'd save 20% and then you earn double the points every time you shop with us. And then you have, I believe it's 90 days interest free to be able to pay that off. And then there's also no cancellation fee with it as well. If you wanted to apply for that with this transaction.
Okay, ladies, so I just left Ulta and I got everything that you are gonna need to start your beginner makeup kit. So I ended up showing y'all everything, and then the total price was like $200 and some. And just remember to download the Ulta app on your phone, and that way you'll get a coupon. Like you'll get like $3.50 off. If you spend like $50, you can get like $10 off. So download the Ulta app and get you your coupons, okay, period. But yes, that's pretty much the end of this video. I just want to show y'all how much it costs to start your beginner makeup kit and show y'all everything y'all need. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay, period. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.